So someone hurt your pet, caused some damages and some vet bills. What's your legal recourse? The sad truth is you can get your medical bills, the vet bills themselves, but if your dog is actually harmed, there are no pain and suffering damages for animals. And if your dog loses its life, the only thing the law will allow, and I strongly disagree with this law, is the replacement value of that animal. As we know, pets are valuable members of a household. They're irreplaceable for the most part. And that's why the law in Michigan is wrong. If you disagree with it, you should probably write your congressman and figure out a way that we can get it overturned. Because when someone causes damage to an animal, the only thing you can get is medical bills and the replacement cost.